Hi, boys and girls. Okay, so today for your drill sound warm-up, we are going to review all of the glued sound patterns that I have taught you up till this point in the year. Also, what we're going to do is we're going to practice reading words that have these glued sounds in them, but then I also want to spend some time practicing how to read CVC words and nonsense words without taking the time to tap and just read them while we blend them together. So let's go ahead and we're going to start with the review. So here's what I'm going to do. I'll just hold up a card and I will say it, the glued sound pattern, the sound that it makes, and then you can just repeat it after me and I'll snap, and then that's how you know you can say it after me, okay? Okay, so here we have our first one. A-L-L, ball, all. Your turn. Good job. A-M, ham, am. A-N, fan, an. A-N-G, fang, ang. Good. U-N-G, lung, ung. Good. O-N-G, ong, song. I-N-G, ring, ing. I-N-K, pink, ink. Good job. A-N-K, bank, ink. Good job. O-N-K, honk, onk. U-N-K, junk, unk. Good job. Let's go ahead and practice reading words that have these glued sound patterns in them. So, and I am not very organized today, so I am just going to be pulling. So some of these words may be real words, some of them could be nonsense words. And I will just do, let's put this one up here. Okay. So here we have a digraph in our glued sound pattern. So we are only going to make 2 taps. Are you ready? Ch, unk, chunk. Is that the word you got? Let's do it again. Ch, unk, chunk. Good job. And we're just going to go through all of them. Again, some of these might be nonsense words, so this looks like it might be a nonsense word. What I want you guys to do, I want you guys to go ahead and take some time, tap this word out, and figure out what the word is before I do it. So you have 10 seconds, tap it out, and say the word. Let's do it together to see if you got it right. Ing, ming. Is that the word you got? Okay, let's do another one. Okay, go ahead, tap it out and read it, and then we'll check it together. Here we go. Ang, rang, rang. Is that what you got? Good job. We're moving fast. You guys are doing very good. Let's do... Go ahead and tap it out. Let's check it. Ink, link, link. Did you get it? Good job. Tap it out. Let's do it together. Ank, rank, rank. Is that what you got? Good job. This looks like a nonsense word, a silly word. Go ahead and tap it out. Let's do it together. G-onk, gonk. Let's check it. Gonk. That was a silly word. Here we go. Go ahead and take some time, tap it out, figure it out on your own. Let's do it together. Ung, hung. Let's check it. Hung. Did we get it? We did. I know I'm moving fast. There we go. Go ahead and tap it out. And let's do it together. P-ong, pong. Let's check it. Pong. Did we get it? We sure did. Okay, go ahead and tap that out. Remember, you have a consonant and a glued sound pattern. Let's do it together. F-an, fan, fan. Did we get it? We sure did. Go ahead and try this one on your own. Okay, let's do it together. Am, ma'am, ma'am. Did we get it? You guys are so good. Okay, let's do one more. This is our last glued sound pattern. Let's do it together. Wa-all, wall. Let's check it. Wall. Did we get it? We sure did. Okay, boys and girls, now what we are going to do is we're going to take some time. So here's, when I'm posting the nonsense word and CVC word fluency list, the goal that I want you guys to have in mind is that I want you to be able to read the words without having to tap them. Okay, so we learned how to tap out words and segment the sounds. Now we really need to work on just blending them so that we can be fluent readers. So I'm going to just put a simple CVC word on the board. And there we go. Okay, so remember our CVC words, the consonant, vowel, consonant. Now, in the past, what we would do is spend some time tapping out the sounds and then blending them. Now, what we're going to do is we are not going to tap out the sounds anymore. We are going to put our finger under the first sound, and we are just going to say the sounds that we see as we run our finger under the word. Okay, so blending means to say the sounds that you see in the word without stopping. Okay, so here we go. Let's try it. Men. Let's do it faster. Men. Men. What word is it? Men. See? And it's so much easier than what you guys probably are thinking it is. Let's try another one. Let's do... And again, I'm going to do some silly words and real words. Okay, so again, we're not going to tap. Follow my marker, and we're going to say the sounds without stopping. Here we go. Ruz. Let's do it again. Ruz. 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 That's a silly word, isn't it? But notice how even though it's a nonsense word, we still only said the sounds that we see. Okay, let's try... Okay, so this one's going to be a little bit tricky because we have a digraph, and if we're not going to take the time to tap out the digraph, we're going to have to remember what that digraph says, which is why it is important to mark up our words because it's training our brain. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mark up this word. Okay. Oops, I'm sorry. Digraphs only get a line under them. Huh. Silly me. Okay. So we're not tapping out, so just get your eyes ready. We're going to go ahead and say the sounds without stopping. Here we go. Sh-op. Okay, let's try to go a little bit faster. Shop. Shop. Faster. Shop. What word is it? Shop. Good. Do you see how we were able to do that without tapping out the word? So when I post those lists and I say I want you to read as many words as you can, this is what I'm wanting you to do. I want you to be able to look at a word and run your finger under it and read the word without, oops, I want to do this one. Without tapping it out. Sorry, my brain isn't working. Let's try one more. Because some of the words that I've been posting have been a little bit difficult, and so I want to do one that's tricky for you. Let me find what I'm looking for. There we go. Okay, so for this word we have 2 digraphs and a vowel in the middle. So I'm going to underline my digraphs. I'm not going to tap out this word, so we're just going to go for it. We're going to read it. Ready? Here we go. Check. Let's do it faster. Check. Let's do it again. Check. Check. This is the word check. Okay? Notice how you didn't hear me stopping. I just read it. Check. Check. Okay. So today in your drill sound warm up, you are going, when you have your nonsense word fluencies and CVC word fluency, I want to hear you reading the words without tapping them out. And I know that you can do it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.